we are going to take class 11th exercise 3.12 and question first. Student, I know very well that trigonometry chapter is a very tedious chapter here, but I try to my best to give the best solutions of the trigonometry. So you need to keep watch out by the all videos belong to trigonometry so that you will be convenient in this other topic. Now let's start. We have given you the question of first exercise 3.2. We need to find all other trigonometric ratios where cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. X lies in the third quadrant here. Student, firstly we need to put the focus in this point, that is the x lie in the third quadrant. That means third quadrant. So previous video you notice here, after school to college here, all sine and trigonometry function will be the positive. Sine and cos positive, other all negative here. But right now third quadrant, tan and cot positive and other all trigonometric ratios will be the negative. So according to the conditions cos x minus 1 by 2, so no doubt here it is absolutely right. Third quadrant में आपको tan और cot positive मिलेगा student. Other all trigonometric ratio will be the negative. So right now हमारे इस question is very much right here. Right student. Now let me proceed this question. We need to find the all other trigonometry. Student, you recall one of the identities sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. 10th class identity. So we will put the value of the sin x cos x here, minus 1 by 2 square is equal to 1, and you can find the value of the sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2, 3 by 4 here. Final answer is sin x is equal to, after the square of both sides, plus minus root 3 by 2 here. But now quadrant theta belong to the third quadrant student, so that's why third quadrant में tan or cot positive, other all trigonometric ratios will be the negative. So we will choose here sin x is equal to minus root by 3. Now student, we have the question sin x is equal to this one and cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So sin x is upon cos x is equal to tan x. Now we need to put the value of the sin x minus root 3 by 2 and cos x minus 1 by 2. After the cancellation, you will find out tan x is equal to root 3. Now x theta lie in the third quadrant. Third quadrant में tan और cot positive, बाकी साइन नेगेटिव से रहेगी trigonometric ratio student. So we can find out tan x आपका देखिए positive में वैल्यू आपको मिलेगी student, right? Now we need to find sin x. If sin x is equal to minus root by 3, no doubt cos x is equal to minus 2 root by 3, right? Cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2, so its reciprocal sec x is equal to minus 2. Tan x is equal to root 3 here student. You can say that cot x is equal to 1 by root 3. Student, important thing to care in this question, you need to much more put focus x lie in the third quadrant, right? तो third quadrant जो आपका थीटा है, third में tan और cot positive, बाकी सारे अदर trigonometric ratios नेगेटिव में रहेंगे स्टूडेंट. तो आप देख सकते हैं cos माइनस में है, sin माइनस में आ रहा है, sec माइनस में है आपका, cosec माइनस में, but cot and tan both are the positive because x lie in the third corner. I hope you are enjoying with me. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share to all students. Do good, have a good. Okay. Now student, we are taking the question of 5 exercise 3.2. Given here tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12 where x lie in the second quadrant. As already I have informed to you student, you need to care this concept x lie in the second quadrant. And you know, after school to college, according to my previous video, you know very well that sin x cos x in the second positive, other all trigonometric ratio will be the नेगेटिव है. सेम हियर स्टूडेंट, सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में आप देखिए sin और cos पॉजिटिव, अदर ऑल नेगेटिव, सो दैट्स व्हाई tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12, which is an appropriate condition. So we need to find the all other trigonometric ratios here. Now let me start here, student. We will apply the one of the identity which belong to 10th class. Tan square x plus 1 is equal to sec square x. Now we will put the value 5 minus 5 by 12 squaring plus 1 is equal to sec square x. After the calculation you will find out 25 144 1 and sec square x. Now sec square x after the calculation 169 by 144, student. Right. Now we will do the square root of both sides. So you will find out plus minus 13 by 12 after the square root. But right now you can see x lie in the second quadrant. So that's why second quadrant means sine and cosec positive and other all negative. So we will take here sec x is equal to minus 13 by 12 here. Now we need to find the other all trigonometric ratios. If you see tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12, you can see that cot x its reciprocal minus 12 by 5, sec x minus 13 by 12. So that's why you can see that cos x is equal to minus 12 by 13, student. Now we need to find the sin x. So you will apply here the sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. We will recall this identity. So sin square x plus minus 12 by 13, we will put the value here. So same as it is, sin is equal to minus 144 by 169. After the calculation, sin x is equal to 25 by 169 sin square x. Sorry, student. Now we will do the square root of the both side here. So that's why final sin x is equal to minus 5 by 13 here, student. But quadrant belong plus minus, sorry, but quadrant belong to a second quadrant. So second quadrant में sin और cos positive आएंगे. So we will choose here sin x is equal to plus 5 by 13 here, student. Right. Now if sin x is equal to plus 5 by 13, you can say that cosec x is equal to 13 by 5. You know, we have the 6 trigonometric ratios. We have find out sin x is equal to 5 by 13, cosec x is equal to 13 by 15. Second quadrant में आपका x राइट कर रहा है. So sin x, cosec positive are all negative here. You can see sin x 5 by 13, cosec 13 by 5. Cosec x minus 12 by 13, sec x is equal to minus 13 by 12 here. Another side, tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12, and you can see here cot x is equal to minus 12 by 5 here. So, right, student? I hope it is very much clear. So if you have some doubt, you can send your views on your comments on my this number, because answers are always for you.